guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Lily and thank you so much for stopping by. So guys, spend 2 days with me. Today is Monday, so you're going to spend Monday and Tuesday with me, fingers crossed. So I got this new one for Akabata, so I'll be using this one to wash the wall. So this one, instead of throwing it away, let me use and be washing the wall. So this one is so cute. I'm going to eat it inside this frying pan. This is my dinner. Yeah. You guys have seen the vlogger, right? Me that say when I go to market, I'm going to vlog and show you guys, you know, as vlogging the market vlog. I didn't remember that I'm vlogging. When I remember that when I was buying coffee. So I said, God, I didn't even see where I shouted because, you know, I love creating content, but it's fine because still my normal market, like nothing changed. I didn't go to a new market, it's just my usual market close by, and I still got the usual. I'm having cough, that's why my voice is like this. Egg, plate for my memory business, detergent, peppermint, apple. Apple is expensive now, but by next week I'll complete it because Akabata goes to school with apple every day. The weather is cold, so I got hot coffee. And yeah, that's what I got from the market. So let me do the haul since I've not shown you guys the market. And I've not even had breakfast. So I'm going to eat. And it's holiday here, it's Chinese New Year here. So let's see what we will do, what I'm going to do with my kids later in the day. When you're thinking, as a mother, you know, I'm thinking about this one, you're thinking about this one, bills up and down, all those things. So sometimes you forget things, but it's fine. Women, take care of yourself. How many times can I work at this thing? Take care of yourself. So if you see the way I'm taking this year, as in, you can see that my body's coming back. The way I'm taking this year, like I'm just taking it easy with myself, one step at a time. I'm not even rushing anything. If it happens, it happens. If it does not, no stress. No stress. This is my hot coffee said, don't cold said. I'm going to warm it up. Yes, I'm going to warm it up. I cannot take. I even bought medicine for the cough. So yeah, see you later. Hello. Bye. It's holiday here. It's Chinese holiday here, so I brought Akabata to this place for her just to stay, chill, and play while and I did something for myself. phone and memory issues. See, I forgot one earring at home, so I removed this one. It's motherly journey. So my phone's memory is full. So let me just end this vlog here because there's nothing again I will do. We'll just stay here when Akabata is tired. When she play plan, she's tired. We'll go home. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is where I ended this vlog. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you by next one. Bye. Say bye. Say bye.